Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting deal you don't want to miss, the 2025 new Xiaomi iOS Ultra GPS smartwatch. And guess what? It's currently on sale for just $67.39, down from the original price of $957.34. That's a massive 93% off. This smartwatch is designed for performance, durability, and style. Let's dive into the key features. A 1.43-inch AMOLED HD display with a crystal clear 466 by 466 resolution. High-precision heart rate and blood oxygen sensors with advanced live body recognition. Built-in dual-band GNSS with GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo support, perfect for accurate navigation anywhere. Military-grade durability with a metal body, dustproof design, and fall resistance. 10 ATM waterproof rating, swim with confidence up to 30 meters. Over 170+ sports modes, plus tracking for heart rate, blood oxygen, pressure, altitude, and even a built-in compass and flashlight. And it comes with a replaceable strap and a long-lasting pure cobalt battery to keep you powered for days. So whether you're into swimming, hiking, running, or just want a reliable smartwatch with premium features, this one is a steal at this price. If you're ready to grab yours, click the link in the description below and take advantage of this amazing deal before it's gone. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and hot deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.